Boy, Robert, boy, Nora, 101 on 810, GMC, looks like Acadia break.
Can we go ahead?
I'm going to attempt to tell the driver to stop trying to drive. He gets stuck on the tracks. If 58 can start this way if available. Shut off the car!
58 is not available. I can start another car towards you.
Yeah, go ahead. He's failing to shut off the car and obeying.
Copy. And you're at Portage Path in Merriman.
Hey, friend, he's continuing to try to drive down the tracks. It's going to be a white male driver, probably in his 40s, 50s. Shut off the car!
15 was dropped off.
Hey!
97.
Shut off the car!
Copy.
If there's another unit coming, have him step in it, please.
Copy. 23, you copy.
Yeah, we got it.
What are you doing? Shut off the car. How much you had to drink today? You're on the railroad tracks. I mean, come on.
Yeah, I made a wrong turn.
No, you continued. I've been sitting watching you. You continued to drive. Step out of the car. Any weapons?
No.
All right.
I'm not going to step out of the car.
You are going to step out of the car.
No,
I'm
not.
ordering you.
ZYXWBUTSR
9A to 23.
You know, I...
Go ahead, we're at Portage Path in Garmin.
All right, yeah, I have the vehicle stopped. The driver's refusing to get out of the car now. Get out of the car.
I will not.
Copy.
I really don't want to have to pull you out of the car.
You know, I'm in my seatbelt.
No, you're going to take off your seatbelt and you're going to get out of the car.
No, I'm not.
Get out of the car.
I will 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 not.
So I'm going to have to pull you out of this car.
If that's what you want to do, I made a wrong turn.
So then you won't have a problem stepping out of the car.
I will not get out of this car.
You will get out of the car.
I will not.
Okay, so you're under arrest.
For what?
Obstructing. You're failing to obey my commands. I've given you multiple lawful commands to get out of the car.
I will not get out of the car. I made a wrong turn. I'm on the railroad
Get
tracks.
out of the car.
I understand
Get out of the car.
that I'm on
Get out of the car.
railroad tracks, and I made
I am trying to work with you here, and you need to get out of the car.
I will not.
You're going to get out of the car.
I will not.
You're going to get out of the car.
I will not.
Get out of the car.
I will not.
Okay, so you're under arrest, so you can get out of the car.
I will not.
You're under arrest, okay?
Okay.
So you can get out of the car.
I will not.
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 Now.
I will not.
You're under arrest, okay? So you're
will
going to get out of the
not,
car. So I'm going to have to pull you from this vehicle. I really don't want to do that. That's a lot of paperwork for me. I really don't want to do that.
I will not.
You will get out of the car. I'm giving you a lawful order. So I'm going to have to do a lot of paperwork right now, is what you're telling me.
I made a wrong decision.
You can get out of the car.
I will not get out.
You will get out of the car. You're under arrest.
I will not, sir.
Okay. Get out of the car.
I will not, sir.
Get out of the car.
I will not get out.
You will get out of the car. You're under arrest.
I will not, sir.
Okay. Get out of the car.
I will not, sir.
Someone go in the passenger seat. The seatbelt's being undone. Get out of the car.
I will not.
Get out of the car.
I will not, sir.
We'll be ripped out of this car.
I will not, sir.
Okay.
Get out of the car. I will not,
Get out of the car.
I will not, sir.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car now.
I will not,
Get out of the car now. Get out.
Get out of the car now! I'm gonna tase you. Get out of the car. Get down on the ground now. Down on the ground now.
On the ground.
ZYXW VUTSR QPO Jumbo JNC FAGCBA.
23.
All right, I'm gonna roll you on your side, and I'm gonna get you up. You understand?
Yeah, we have one end engine. We're good here.
You understand? Okay.
024.
Roll over. Sit up on your butt, like a big boy. Yep. All right. Put your feet out front, so I can have you stand up.
Okay.
Put your foot out front.
Sure.
All right.
Let's go.
Walk. This way.
Anything like you stick or poke?
Nope.
So you're now under arrest, okay, for obstructing, okay, and driving while under the suspicion of being under the influence of an alcoholic beverage or drugs. Do you understand? Okay.
This way. I got him, Hudson. You can get the door. Take a seat. You got him. Yeah. All right. Take a seat. Yeah. Yeah.
Try to back it down the ramp.
You moving it back?
District 156 North Highland to assist AMC with a non-problem person down.
They're operator on the air.
Is there an operator on the air that can assist Friday?
Keep coming. Keep coming.
50.
50.
Yeah, leave Manchester and follow it open. Put me on 9-inch ball.
027.
Good.
Clear for our 305.
Keep coming. Hey. Hold up. You need to get away from this ledge because it's tight over here. So try and... There you go. There you go. And then come straight back from there. Yeah. No, I didn't do any... No impact. I figured just a scare tactic at that point.
Yeah, no, I just want to make sure I didn't have to call supervisor.
Would we anyways? Nothing. Keep coming. Stop for a second. You may have to floor it up there because this is where the ramp is. I don't know if you want to take it slow and then go, but it's a pretty steep ramp.
Alright, you just have to make sure traffic's good.
Alright, let's, well, you should be good after that. Try and bring it back to slow, and we'll see. Keep coming. Ramp. There you go. Ramp. Pull up, pull up, pull up. So do the same, bring it back the same way, and then just pull it over here. And then from there we can drive it off. You're still good. Good. Unless you want to drive it over to, I'll just stop here for a second. You want to drive it over to the thing? Have him tow it from there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Do that.
Can I keep
Just bring
backing
it up. Yeah, you're good. Good. Keep going. Not yet. Just drive over there.
All right, sir.
My right leg is just a little cramped.
Alright, step up here. Sure. Step. Alright. We're gonna go right up. Just face them.
Start for 10:36 Merriman Rd and N. Thank you. What would you like?
Alright, sir. Go ahead and step forward. How do you say your last name?
I'm sorry?
How do you say your last name?
Bucholtz.
Bucholtz. All right, Mr. Bucholtz. Any medical emergencies going on right now?
What's that? I said that's not what I thought it
Is
was
it tree
pronounced.
stuff like that?
Oh, that was a Bucholtz or
You
something.
getting in a fight with the cops and all?
I'm sorry?
So did you get in a fight with the cops and all? Is there any alcohol or drugs tonight?
Nope.
All right, let's look this on this finger right here. You feel like hurting yourself?
No.
You feel like hurting anybody else?
God, no.
You take any medications?
Nope.
Allergic to anything that you know of?
Nope.
Alright, quick blood pressure and I'll deal with it. I will see you shortly, sir.
What size shoe are you?